All over the world, when they want innovation, they look towards Silicon Valley. But we are already in Silicon Valley. What do we do? For choreography, we look forward to Guru Jyoti Raut for all the innovation we have seen. We said we are from Karnataka. We would like to see if we can somehow introduce a Kannada song into the Ranga Puja repertoire. I can do it. The typical Guru Jyoti Raut. I can do it. I have handled Marathi songs earlier. I have handled a Bengali song earlier. Kannada shouldn't be a problem. So we said, fine. We chose a poem by poet K.S. Narasimha Swami. The lyrics didn't mean much because she couldn't read the Kannada script. So the closest we got was one other person singing the song. And she heard it and said, yeah, I can compose music for it and dance for it. And so she went to India to compose the music and dance and come back. Within a week, around 2 a.m., we got a call. I'm composing, we just want one clarification. Should it be Nimma Nenape or Nimma Nenase? I hear it Nenape, but you written down somewhere it should be Nenase. And we knew she was literally taking each letter seriously and trying to make sure the rendition is as close to a Kannada song as we can get, and then put the rhythm into the song too. So we'd like to give you since most of you are not from Karnataka, we'd like to give you a background about this poem and then demonstrate how she has composed it and then go into the actual song.
The song is set in the 70s. A young woman goes to her mother's place for delivering her first child. The parents are expected to drop the girl back in the husband's house once the delivery is over. However, in this case, the parents decide that the woman stays back because her sister is getting married. The husband has not seen his wife for several months, neither has he seen his newborn. He's angry with the wife and expresses the same sarcastically. In the pleasure of your mother's home, you have forgotten me. You get good food over there. So the wife is a little disappointed. The song is a response of the wife to her husband. She explains the queer situation in which she is caught because she cannot go back on certain inauspicious days like Navami and Tuesdays. Let's see a brief demonstration of the song so that you understand the context better. Rag Bhairavi, Tal Ek Tali, choreography Guru Jyoti Raut, music composers Sri Sarat Kumar Sahu, rhythm composer Guru Sachidananda Das. In the joy of my mother's house, don't think that I have forgotten you. Don't put your love to test like a goldsmith tests gold. Your thoughts taunt me during the day, and during the night, I see you in my dreams. When I am applying kumkum to the tulasi, which is in the Brindavan, I see you. In the twilight sky, as the moon is rising, I see the Rohini star shining by its side. I am not here to relish the good food cooked by my mom. In a month's time, my sister will get married. I am not a caged parrot in the prison of my mother's home. Our 5-month-old infant is smiling as I write. I am aware that the train from the town of Chitradurga runs daily to your place, Mysore. Tomorrow is Tuesday. And the day after is Navami, an inauspicious day. But after that, do you think I will stay here? I am not lost in the beauty of this garden. When I come back, I will wear these beautiful jasmines in my hair. I will come there quickly. Don't get angry. Don't pine for me. Don't taunt me with your sharp, arrow like words. I think of you. I think of you. I think of you always.